Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. It's actually night, it's 3 o'clock in the morning and we are inside the train. So basically we are traveling to Arunachal tonight. Me, English maker and one of my friend, Tufan. Yeah, so it's a night journey. It's my first time night journey with train. So let's see how does it goes. Let's go to Arunachal. Come on. And we bought some jelly beans to enjoy in our journey. Jelly? Take it, bro, take it.
Thank you, Vaina.
Gonna sleep here, one here, and this English maker guy in here. Cannot show his face. First time sleeping in train. Let's go. So I'm gonna sleep now. Like that. And my bag is my pillow. We're gonna sleep now, so see you in the morning. Good night, good morning, whatever. Hi guys, good morning. So I woke up now. It's 6:40 in the morning. Couldn't sleep properly, man. I didn't even fall asleep. So I woke up, washed my face, brushed my teeth, and I'm gonna have breakfast now. I was still sleeping. Got red tea and a bread. And we have reached Hosai station. Yeah. Hosai. So let's have the breakfast now. So in breakfast I got a bread and an omelette. This cost me 50 rupees. Wow, only 2 loaf of bread and an omelette. 50 rupees and tea for 10. Okay. Oof. I've had my breakfast now. Both my friends are still sleeping. One up here and one there. English maker up there. Last night we got on the train at 3 in the morning. And we slept here, and it was not comfortable at all. They didn't give us a blanket or a pillow, so I had to make my bag a pillow, which was not comfortable at all. It hurt my neck, so I woke up early and brushed my teeth and become fresh. So yeah, now it will still take 7 hours for us to reach the destination. First we will reach in Tinsukia. So yeah, it will take like 6 to 7 hours more for us. So till then, I will now edit some videos. See you later.
6.5 hours later.
New Tinsukia, पहुंच गया. So we got down from the train and reached the new Tinsukia junction, and we are going now. Yeah, let's go. From here we are gonna go to Namsai in Arunachal. Yup. Let's go. Ride this car now, and we will be going to Namsai in Arunachal. Right,
Yeah,
bro?
1 kilometer, 1 hour left.
1 hour left to the destination.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Lot of hungry. Lot of hungry.
Hungry again? So we crossed Tinsukia and stopped in this small dhaba to have lunch. I was getting hungry. We was hungry. Didn't eat anything since morning. So I had roti and tarka here. Now our stomach are full. Our stomach is full. Now we will be heading back to Namsi now. Let's go. So let's go back. Now let's go to where are we going now?
Namsai district.
Namsai.
Tomorrow you have performance.
Yeah, we had some surprise here. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Let's go. So now we gonna reach Arunachal Pradesh. There's the checkpost. There's the gate. Okay, so I have to close the camera now. Sorry. So right now we are in Arunachal. We entered Arunachal. Taking a little rest here and drinking some Monster Energy. Hey, holy moly! What, tired? Tired, bro? You're sleeping? Okay, I can show your face, right? So stop here to have some energy, and we'll be heading to our hotel room. See you in our hotel room. So this is Arunachal University. Wow, it's
So much big.
so much big and beautiful.
Beautiful.
Wow,
Nice.
nice. Yeah, so finally we have arrived Namsi. This is Namsi town, and this was our destination. So tonight we are going to stay here. Hotel? Huh? Alka. Alka Hotel. We're staying Alka. Where's the hotel? Oh, here's the hotel. So we're gonna stay here tonight. Yo, so this is our room. Yeah, so we have reached Namsai. Been in a hotel, took shower, got fresh, and now we came in the countryside, which one of the big brother from this area. So we came in his farmhouse to chill. So now I'm gonna sign out and see you in the next video. Next video tomorrow coming soon. So stay tuned. Bye. Good night.